Being much concerned about some stuff which is getting worn out very quick, and for on the first sight appears to be not able for reverse engineering, as for example this one, Targus cool pad for the laptops. It looks so tricky that in discrepancy to the cheap, very cheap one, cool pad, outdated, like 7 years old, and this one was $50. So I found myself concerned about just to dispose it. Instead, I thought to find a way to open it up. So for this, I can recommend, first of all, using the small drill. Me myself, I've used number 1/8. I've used 1/8. You just get into the cap right over here a little with drill, and this will help you to pull it out on the reverse. Also, there are four of screws on the back panel. There are no more of the screws whatsoever. The only thing they have here, some small caps, but they are working as a pads, so you do not actually need to take them out. That one and this one here. I found myself, once after I've pulled all the screws out, I found myself it's tricky to disassemble it. For this, I've used the small pliers, gripping in here and pulling out with the considerable hardness, and that helped me to crack it open like this and get access to the inside compartment. The inside compartment is still resilient, for it was designed like this to do not get disassembled, but so far I've managed to disassemble it just perfectly and clean up inside, and it's ready for the second cycle of exploitation. Alright, thank you for watching. It was a Targus cool pad.